Okay, so when we find median, lower and upper quartiles and therefore the interquartile range, first thing is to put the numbers in order. Okay, so what's the lowest number? 2. So I'm going to put 2. Let's just go through 4. Let me know if I'm spotting and missing anything. 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 19, and 20. 15, 19, 20. That's them all, right? Okay, so I've got all my numbers. All good? Next stage then. So it says find the median, lower and upper quartile. So the median, how many numbers have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's the middle number of 12? No. So we do 12 plus the 1 and then divide that by 2. So it's 6.5, which means I need the 6th and the 7th numbers and take halfway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, halfway between is 9.5. So 9.5 is the median. Okay, so I've got a line, that's my median, separate. All right, the lower quartile then, so this is the lower half. So the lower quartile, how many numbers in the lower half? 6. All right, so I've got to take halfway between those two numbers. So because it's an even number of numbers, it's going to be always those. If it's an odd number of numbers, you'll get actual numbers. So what's the lower quartile? It's 5.5. The upper quartile, take the upper half. There are 6 numbers, as should be halfway between 3 and 3. What's the upper quartile is? What is it? 40. Okay. The interquartile range is 14 subtract 5.5, just like the total range, which is
9.5.
It's what?
9.5.
9.5. Are we all happy with 9.5?
No, 8.5.
8.5. So the interquartile range is 8.5. So what does that tell us? Well, that tells us how spread out the middle 50% of data is. Okay? That's a measure of, what we would say, a measure of spread. It's weird, isn't it? This is a measure of spread. So that number will change. And it's only relevant to the numbers that it's there. So I can't say that 8.5 is a large spread, because it depends what numbers you're looking at, right? We've talked about that kind of thing before. So 8.5 is the interquartile range. All good? Ready to move on to the next one? I'm recording, so let's move on. How do we do it with a stem and leaf diagram then? Same thing, isn't it? Let's do the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 this time. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that's 8. So this time we want the 8th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the median is 12. Okay. This time, because it was a number, I can block that one out and go, right, now I've got the lower quartile to find. So in the lower half, how many numbers have I got? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's halfway? 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to check, there's 3 numbers above it. Sorry, 3 numbers below it, 3 numbers above it. Yeah? So the lower quartile is 8. upper quartile, there are three numbers, one, so count back 1, 2, 3, so it's this one. So three numbers above, three numbers below, so it's 21. Interquartile range is 21 subtract 8 is 30.